Assalamu alaikum. I am S.M. Akhtaruzzaman Arif. I am a teacher of English. I think you are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Previous class, I discussed about present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. If you follow my class, everybody will benefit. Everybody will benefit if you follow my structure suggestion. What was my suggestion? My suggestion was you practice in your house what gave by some home tasks to you. I think everybody has completed. Now I discuss today about present perfect tense. Before going to present perfect tense, you have to learn some to be verbs. What is present past participle? Suppose I give you one item, speak. What's the past participle of speak? What's the past of speak? Speak, spoke, spoken. Now I am going to write down present past participle. Present past participle. Past participle. You have to practice before learning present perfect tense. Suppose I give you do. What is past? Did. What is past participle? Done. I give you speak. What is past? Spoke. Past participle? Spoken. Always you should remember, without learning present past participle you never learn present perfect tense. Suppose I give you stand. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Past. What is past? Stand. Stood. Past participle? Stood. Next item I give you drink. 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 Past drank. Past participle? Drank. Drink, drank, drank. In this way you have to learn more and more to be verbs. So you follow it and learn more and more to be verbs from your teaching of tense or others advanced learners or very important good book, or you can follow NCTV in from your class. Now I am going to make some present perfect tense example. How to change affirmative to negative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. I use some examples from these items. Suppose today I discuss about drink. I use drink verb. Today I discuss about present perfect tense. Present Perfect tense. Drink. Drink affirmative. I drink. I drink water. I drink water. This is affirmative. Present indefinite. Previous class I discussed. Present continuous. Present continuous affirmative. I am drinking water. And present perfect. I have drank water. So today in detail I discuss about present perfect. Drink, drank, drank. Previous class I discuss present indefinite, present continuous. Today I discuss all the items present perfect, affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative, interrogative. Okay? Previous class I discussed. I think everybody write down affirmative. I have drank water. Negative. I have not drank water. Now you know how to make interrogative sentence. Do you know how to make interrogative sentence? If you want to make interrogative sentence, you have to come at first auxiliary verb have. Next subject I. Have I drank water? At last you have to use note of interrogation. Note of interrogation symbol. So you know this is subject, this is auxiliary verb, this is principal verb, and this is object. Next subject, auxiliary verb, negative, present past participle plus object. Interrogative, auxiliary verb at first you have to use, then subject, present verb, present past participle plus extension. So if you need structure, I can write down a structure. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus VPP, VPP plus EXT, extension plus note of interrogation. In this way you have to structure affirmative, subject plus verb have has plus verb past participle plus subject. So now I discuss about affirmative negative. How to make affirmative to negative sentence, affirmative negative sentence. Now I am going to clean the board because no place is available. That's why I have to clean the board. I think everybody write down these items in your khata. If you follow these items, you can learn tense, affirmative, how to make affirmative to negative, negative to interrogative, and negative interrogative sentence. This is also, it will be helpful for your transformation of sentence, how to turn into affirmative change, how to change affirmative to negative or affirmative to interrogative or affirmative to negative interrogative. So You have to learn in this way. And if you follow, you will be benefited. If you don't follow, you will not be benefited. So now I going to write down negative, integrative. Negative, integrative. Am I right to you? Okay. Negative, integrative. Haven't I drunk water? Haven't I drunk water? Note of integration. This structure haven't plus subject plus verb past participle plus extension or object plus note of integration. Next class I will discuss present perfect continuous tense, and today I discuss present perfect tense, and you follow and practice in your house. If you follow, you will be more and more benefited. So I think everybody practice in your house. Next items you take preparation for next class, and you read more and you learn more and more. You read more and more. Others verb. Play, played, played. Go, went, gone. In this way, more and more you read. Thank you very much. Next class I discuss about present perfect continuous tense. Okay, completed. Today class has been completed. Oh, okay.